Hello everyone, and welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. Let me ask you something simple. What if there were a daily habit, one that takes just 10 minutes, that could help you become calmer, wiser, and more in control of your life? No fancy apps, no self-help hype, just a pen, a page, and your mind. Today we're exploring the quiet but powerful discipline of daily Stoic journaling. A practice that helped shape emperors, philosophers, and warriors, and it can shape you too. Let's begin. Chapter 1. Why did the Stoics journal? Let's immerse ourselves. Marcus Aurelius ruled the most powerful empire of his time, yet each night he returned not to riches or luxury, but to his journal. He didn't write to impress others, he wrote to examine himself. Lines like, "Don't waste time worrying about what others think. Be tolerant with others, strict with yourself. You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say." Why did he do this? Because Stoic journaling is not just writing, it's training. A way to return to clarity, to anchor yourself in virtue, in reality, in what truly matters. It's not therapy, it's not venting, it's a forge. For the mind, for the soul. Chapter 2. What is the purpose of a Stoic journal? A Stoic journal is not where you dump your emotions or record your day like a diary. It's where you ask, am I living as the person I want to be? It helps you reflect on your choices, prepare for daily adversity, observe your emotions with detachment, reconnect with values like courage, wisdom, justice, practice daily self-mastery. As Epictetus said, don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Your journal is where that embodiment begins. Chapter 3. Morning and evening practice. A consistent Stoic journaling practice often takes two simple forms, one in the morning, one at night. Morning. Set your intention. Ask yourself, what challenges might I face today? How can I respond with Stoic calm rather than emotion? What virtue will I focus on? Patience, courage, honesty. This prepares your mind. It's like putting on mental armor before stepping into battle. Example. Today I may be interrupted or criticized. I will respond with patience. I will choose humility over pride. I will focus on what I can control. Evening. Reflect and refine. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? Where did I act impulsively or out of anger? What lesson can I carry into tomorrow? This isn't about guilt, it's about growth. Example, I reacted sharply in a conversation. Next time I will pause and listen first. Anger serves no one. Chapter 4. Tips for powerful Stoic journaling. Be honest, brutally so. This journal is a mirror, not a performance. Be consistent. 5 minutes a day beats 30 minutes once a month. Use quotes. Start with a line from Marcus Aurelius or Seneca to anchor your entry. Track your virtues. Note how you practice temperance, justice, courage. Don't judge. Observe. The goal is awareness, not perfection. Remember, this is not about writing beautifully. It's about writing truthfully. It's not about being perfect. It's about being better. Chapter 5. The True Reward. What's the real benefit of this habit? You become less reactive. You begin to notice patterns in your thoughts. You gain the ability to respond with clarity rather than be tossed by emotions. You stop letting fear, anger, and ego drive your day and start letting reason, purpose, and discipline guide it. This isn't just journaling, it's a quiet revolution of the self. As Seneca reminded us, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Through journaling, we begin to see the difference and suffer less. Conclusion. Start your practice tonight this. You don't need the perfect notebook. You don't need to write pages and pages. You just need a pen, a quiet moment, and the courage to look within. So tonight, before you sleep, write this. What did I learn about myself today? That's all. Tomorrow ask again and again. Over time, your journal won't just hold words, it will hold your transformation. Thank you for joining us here on Stoic Wisdom today. If this video sparked something in you, A desire for clarity, for inner strength, for intentional living. Don't let that feeling fade. Tap like. Leave a comment, share your first journal entry with us, and hit subscribe to walk this Stoic path with us. One page, one day, one virtue at a time. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.